The fifth kind. The Edo people of southern Nigeria and Benin tell a story from the dawn of time. In it, the sons of Osanobua arrive on planet Earth. They are beings who arrive from outer space to a planet that is entirely covered by water. Their task is to terraform it. After they have cleared the waters from the higher ground, their leader and father, Osanobua, appears in the sky and descends from what appears to be a chain stretching as far as the eye can see into the heavens. Osanobua then delegates to his sons all the subtle works of terraforming the planet, ready for human society. There are a number of things that are really interesting about the Edo story of creation. And the first is that planet Earth already exists before any of the so-called work of creation. It exists, but is flooded with water. And that is a detail that recurs in ancestral narratives all around the world. We then have the motif of the higher beings, the sky beings, coming down from the heavens, and a visual description of what that looked like when their leader, Osanobua, arrived on what looked like a chain stretching into the heavens. Now, clearly, the tellers of this story are reaching for a metaphor at that point. They're trying to describe what they saw in the terms of the technology that they had. So, what was it they were seeing? The fifth kind. Click on the links in the description to watch the full video.